Welcome to Men Biotech, incorporated in 2008. We don't think of ourselves as a manufacturer of animal feed additives. It's a place where we work with nature to make simply the safest, healthiest, and most nutritious animal feed additive out there. Many other producers use harmful chemicals to boost their nutrition numbers for certification or use antibiotics to artificially make their animals healthier. To us, antibiotics simply create more resistant bacteria that always end up in the meat, milk, and egg. So, with the vision and leadership of Mr. Ng Cho Mong and Mr. Ang Chin Guan, we set out on a difficult task. We devoted all our effort into searching for safe and sustainable alternatives for animal feed additives. To remain an industry leader, we invest heavily in R&D. We've poured a significant amount of resources into our facility where our team of highly qualified researchers and university academics focus on making simply the safest, healthiest animal feed additives that deliver on these three key pillars: high palatability, growth enhancement, immunity boosting. And of course, with nature, we choose the safest selection of raw materials. After more than a decade of R&D, we're proud to present our finest accomplishments. Complete premix for animal feeds, made with vitamins, minerals, essential amino acids and probiotics according to the nutrient requirement of the animal at different life stages. Additive premix are products with targeted functions. They specialize in key needs such as growth enhancement, immunity boosting, anti-pathogen, free radical scavenging, anti-inflammatory and detoxification. Our additive premix can be categorized into 4 different types. They are the microorganism series, peptide series, herbal series, and fatty acid series. When you work with nature, you unlock its secrets, producing safe and healthy animal feed additives, which in return means safe and healthy food on our dining table. 12 years ago, we did what no one else thought of doing. Little wonder, today as leaders in the category, our revenue keeps going from strength to strength. Our belief in this singular purpose has led us to many industry accolades. We at Men Biotech are proud of every single one of them. Our operations are GMP, HACCP, and ISO certified. We're happy to say that we are one of the few manufacturers in this industry that's compliant with international standards. The world is changing fast. More and more developed countries demand safer and ethically correct animal feeds without antibiotics and artificially enhanced nutrition. We've been successful in several Asian countries. Now, we're ready to grow our business globally. More than a decade ago, we set out from the beginning not to take the easy way out, but to take the road less traveled, to work with nature. And now, we're certainly winning with nature.